Hello, thank you for taking the time to learn about ClubRunner. In order to access and utilize all of the different tools and functionality that is offered by ClubRunner, you're first going to need to learn how to log in. So in this video, we will be going over the process of logging into your organization's website. We will also be going over the process of how to recover any lost passwords or login names, just in case you don't know your own login information. To begin, you will first need to visit your club or organization's ClubRunner homepage. In the top right corner of the homepage, you will find a link that says Member Login. Click on this link to be brought to the ClubRunner login page. Here, you will be able to enter your login information, including your login name and your password, into their corresponding field. Below the password field, you will also find a checkbox that says Keep Me Logged In. By selecting this option, you will not be logged out of ClubRunner, even after closing your web browser. This option should only really be used on a private computer, so as to prevent others from accessing your ClubRunner account. Next, we can simply click on the Login button to finish. However, what if we do not know, or we have forgotten our ClubRunner login information? That's no problem. You can click on the links that say Forgot Login Name or Forgot Password. This will bring you to the login recovery page where we can start the login recovery process. To begin, enter both your last name and your email address into the provided fields. If you are logging into a district's website, you will also be prompted to select your club as well. Once you've entered this information, click on the Submit button. If your information is found within the ClubRunner system, you will be sent an email right away with a link to recover your login information. However, in this case, it looks like we have entered in some invalid information. When this happens, please reach out to your organization's site administrator for further assistance. Now let's try that again. This time, it looks like our information is correct, and our recovery email has now been sent to our inbox. Let's take a look. This email contains a link to the login recovery and password reset page. If clicking on this link does not work, you can copy and paste this one into your browser's address bar. It is important to note, however, that these links are only valid for up to 24 hours, after which you'll need to request your login information once again. Clicking on the link will bring you to the password reset page. At the top of the page, you will find your current login name. You should remember this, or write it down. You'll need it when you're logging in. If you find your login name hard to remember, don't worry. After you've been able to log in, you can change this through your member profile. Next, we can enter in our desired password in this field. You'll also see a status bar just below, which will help indicate how strong the selected password is. An ideal password should be something easy to remember, but hard to guess, and will contain a mixture of things like letters, numbers, and symbols. We recommend avoiding using things like birthdays or anniversaries. Now enter your password into the second field to confirm it. Finally, click Submit. We have now successfully reset our password, but we are not yet logged in. Click on the Return button to go back to the login page. As we went over previously, all we need to do now is enter our login name and our password into their corresponding fields. Once you've entered your login information, click on the Login button. Congratulations, you've now successfully logged into your ClubRunner website. Next, click on the Member Area link in the top right corner to access the ClubRunner Member Area, which contains all of the different tools and functionality that is available within a ClubRunner website. Thank you again for taking the time to learn about logging into ClubRunner. I hope this information was helpful for you. Take care.